Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pedal exercisers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Vaunn Pedal Exerciser. The Vaunn Medical Electronic Exercise Pedaler brings enjoyment to your daily workout. You just sit on your favorite chair, switch on your favorite TV program and start pedaling. If you hold a desk-bound job, place your pedaler under your desk and start exercising. It is a great way to get your blood circulated and muscles toned, all while getting that deadline met. You may also use it as an arm exerciser to tone your arms. It is equipped with a multifunctional digital LCD display. The device allows you to track and monitor your cycle counts and calories burned. In addition, its quick-release folding mechanism allows you to instantly fold your pedaler into a compact, also portable unit, so you can readily move it between rooms or bring it on the go. At number 6 we have Sunny Pedal Exerciser. The magnetic resistance provides smooth and quiet operation. And adjust your resistance to vary your workouts and ensure a challenging and effective workout. This compact space-saving design makes it easy to be stored away. It is perfect fit for under your work desk to exercise on the job or in front of the couch. The pedal straps will keep your feet or hands secured. It supports 220 pounds maximum user weight limit. At number 5 we have DeskCycle Pedal Exerciser. The patented under-desk bike uses premium magnetic resistance for an extra smooth pedal motion. This is easier on your joints and whisper quiet so you won't bother those around you. DeskCycle 2 mini exercise bike is adjustable. You can drop it down to 9 inches for the lowest max pedal height of any desk bike pedal exerciser on the market. It works with desks as low as 27 inches for people 5 feet 10 inches and under. With more than twice the resistance range of other mini exercise bikes, and 8 settings range from very easy to really hard. It is great for using as physical therapy equipment. The desk bike is user-friendly. The large 5-function LCD display tracks speed, distance and more. For easy reading, place the monitor on your table with the included display stand. At number 4 we have Magna Trainer Pedal Exerciser. You can sit in a comfortable chair and get an excellent leg workout. Use it while watching TV, reading a book or on the phone. You can use it at work or home. You can place the bike on a tabletop and pedal with your hands to strengthen your arms and shoulders. You use a patented adjustable magnetic resistance system which provides ultra-smooth pedal motion in both the forward and reverse directions. The Magna Trainer has more than 3 times the resistance range of the other magnetic pedal exercisers on the market. The Magna Trainer is also excellent for physical therapy. Magna Trainers are used in hospitals, physical therapy offices, nursing homes, assisted living facilities and chiropractors' offices. The wide resistance range and smooth pedal motion makes it ideal for both physical therapy and healthy exercise. At number 3 we have Cranach Pedal Exerciser. The mini exercise bike can be used to stimulate blood circulation, improve muscle strength and coordination. It is specially designed to exercise arms and legs. The 4 anti-slip rubber pads prevent sliding and protect the surface during training. The multifunction LCD screen shows time, distance, total count and calories. You can find the perfect resistance level for your workout with the adjustable tension level. Also, battery for the LCD monitor is included. This creatively designed bike is ideal for working out while watching TV, reading a book or at work. It will strengthen and tone your legs and arms while also providing you with a great cardio workout. At number 2 we have Life Pro Pedal Exerciser. The DeskCycle is designed with a precision flywheel that's ultra smooth and whisper quiet, so you can get in a workout while you're at your desk and watching TV or any other time. Also, secure the included resistance bands to your machine or swap out the leg pedals for the bonus arm pedals to switch up your leg workout to an arm workout. You can use the clearly lit LCD monitor or sign into the free app through Apple or the Google Play Store to track your workout progress and statistics. At number 1 we have Sunny Pedal Exerciser. You can get a heart-pumping, calorie-busting intense workout all from the comfort of your couch with the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Mini Exercise Cycle SFB020026. You can push your cycle session as vigorously as you desire. The suction cups will ensure your mini exercise bike is solid and will not slip. You can use while relaxing on a chair in the comfort of your living room, sitting at work, in the office or even on vacation. The convenient carrying handle and relative lightweight makes working out on the go possible. The 7-inch stride enables a much more efficient workout than other mini exercise bikes with shorter strides. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pedal exercisers for your need.